My dear student, today we have to start exercise 82 and it is written in longhand and we have to convert in shorthand. तो यहाँ शुरू करते हैं कि जज इन हिज चार्ज। द ऐसे होता है, जज ऐसे हो जाएगा, इन हिज चार्ज। तो चार्ज के लिए हम इस तरह करते हैं, चार्ज टू द jury said these poor boys injury is very severe and if what he ऐसे नहीं, what he states in right it was due to the absence of a hooter on the car fetch Robinson drove along the arcade at a very fast rate. His speed, if we can take the story of the police as correct, being at least 40 miles an hour, far too fast, in so busy, a thoroughfare, the boy says the car came. और इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट इसी वीडियो में हम लाएंगे। ये है आपका एक्सरसाइज का रेस्ट पार्ट। तो आइए देखते हैं। ऑन विथ ए रस, ऑन, ऑन इस तरह, विथ ए रस, नो अलार्म, नो alarm, alarm, was given, he was stuck and thrown, and thrown एक ही में लिखा जा सकता है, and thrown with a force, force, so terrific, terrific as to break, to break, as to break his right leg, full stop. If you think, if you think his story is right, you will again, you will again, you will again him damage, damage, damages, damages. If you assume, if you assume his story is wrong, and if it appear appear appears appear to you the injury was caused by his own lack of vigilance, you will refuse him the damages for which the damages for which he asks you must careful, full stop, you must carefully weigh both the boys case and the case as set out by Robinson and decide on the facts as they appears to you। और ये हुआ आपका एक्सरसाइज समाप्त। अगले वीडियो में फिर हम मिलते हैं किसी अगले एक्सरसाइज के लिए, लेकिन अगला एक्सरसाइज नहीं बल्कि एक रिवीजन पार्ट आएगा जिसको हम आपके पास लाएंगे। तो इंतज़ार कीजिए अगले वीडियो का। जय हिंद।